With years of expertise in the board industry, Zopu Board is trusted by customers for its quality and service. We operate 2 independent factories of our own. Our factory area covers 140,000 square meters. Over 20 years of production experience at our source factory. More than 600 workers, 6 major workshops, and 150 production lines. A high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, production, and sales. Pioneering green manufacturing. Eco-friendly, energy-saving, and safe. Anti-counterfeit codes for full traceability. 29 decibel sound insulation, comparable to solid brick walls. For northern climates, superior thermal insulation. 35% higher than the national standard. For southern climates, protection against mold and cracking. Multiple styles and colors with easy, quick installation. Certified with multiple industry accreditations and honors. As a pioneer of the green board revolution, Zopu Board keeps driving industrial upgrading through innovation. We built a waste recycling system with a 98% resource utilization rate, achieving truly zero waste. Continuously leading the industry toward greener, smarter, and more efficient solutions. Our service network covers over 30 provinces and regions. From source factory to industry benchmark. It is responsibility and leadership. Zopu Board. Defining the future benchmark with green.